Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. OnePlus 9 Pro. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. It's not been long since the launch of the OnePlus 8T, and now we already have a lot of information coming in about its successor, the OnePlus 9 series of devices. As per the latest leaks, the OnePlus 9 series could be populated by as many as 3 different models, with 2 of them being called the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro, while the third model tipped to be called the OnePlus 9T or OnePlus 9 Ultra. Interestingly, all 3 models from the series are said to come powered with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 chipset and also include a punch-hole display and selfie camera at the front. This information comes courtesy of tipster, TechDroider, who took to Twitter to reveal this information about the upcoming series, OnePlus 9. In the leak he also reveals that the OnePlus 9 will carry the model number LE2110, while the OnePlus 9 Pro will have the model numbers LE2117, LE2119, and LE2120. The 17. While the tipster doesn't reveal anything else about the device, a separate post on Weibo has laid bare pretty much all there is to know about the 3 devices. The post takes the lid off the complete specifications of the device, claiming that the devices will be powered by the Snapdragon 875 SoC under the hood. However, what's more interesting is that it claims the phones will also get 144Hz displays and will come with designs that will feature IP68 certified bodies. Apart from this, there will be NFC support and the presence of dual stereo speakers. There will be punch-hole displays as mentioned above, and the phones will use OnePlus's 65W fast wired charging solution to top up their batteries. Additionally, there will also be a 40W wireless charging technologies. For now, there is no real timeline on the launch of the devices, as the company has still not started talking about the series officially. There have been no teasers from the company, but with leaks coming in thick and fast, it is speculated that the series is already in the final legs of its development cycle, and as such could be launched in the middle of internal hardware of the OnePlus 9, but OnePlus is likely to leverage Qualcomm's upcoming 5nm chipset, the Snapdragon 875. With the OnePlus 8T ushering 65W fast charging via Warp Charge 65, it's also a given that the OnePlus 9 series will also offer the same charging standard. We should also see IP68 water resistance, wireless charging, and upgrades to the cameras. As for how the accelerated launch affects the mid-cycle refresh, it will be interesting to see if OnePlus retains its dual flagship release cycle going forward. OnePlus eschewed the 8T Pro and released just the regular OnePlus 8T this generation, and with the company increasingly focusing on carrier partnerships in the US, it is possible we may just get one flagship series a year. OnePlus's business model of selling a phone for just 6 months before launching a new version doesn't cut it anymore. Carriers like Verizon and T-Mobile want to sell a phone for at least a year or more, and the T-Mobile variant of the OnePlus 7T is still up for sale nearly a year after its launch, while the unlocked version sold out several months ago. Its sales going forward. The OnePlus 8 series hasn't sold in any meaningful numbers for the company, but the OnePlus Nord. In 2021, we could see OnePlus offering the OnePlus 9 series as the default flagship option for the year, and then turning its efforts to the mid-range and budget segments with several Nord devices over the course of the year. We'll have to wait and see how that pans out, but we should know more about the OnePlus 9 in the coming weeks. Please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.